Hey gang, my name's Sean and I want to welcome you to the only Udemy course you're ever going to need to start creating and deploying interactive web apps with Vue.js and Firebase. I'm also known as the Net Ninja on YouTube, where you'll find hundreds of free web development tutorials on Vue, Node and much more. So in this course, I'll be taking you from novice to ninja in Vue.js and Firebase, and also teaching you a few extra things along the way, such as the native geolocation API and authentication. But we'll start off with the very basics, so if you've never used Vue.js before, don't worry. The first couple of chapters are all about bringing you up to speed. I'll explain what Vue.js is from the ground up and how we can use it to create awesome and reactive web applications. We'll look at how to set up a Vue application from scratch and walk through the basics slowly before diving into some of the more challenging aspects of the framework, such as the Vue router and lifecycle hooks. Then, when you've got the basics under control, we'll jump right into our first project, a simple CRUD application. And by CRUD, I mean create, read, update and delete, not CRUD as in this project stinks. We'll learn how to create multiple dynamic pages and hook the app up to Firebase, an online, free and real-time database by Google. We'll also deploy the app to Firebase hosting, again a free service offered by the Google Firebase team. Once we've got our hands dirty with our first Vue app, we'll dive headfirst into the next one, which will be a live chat room. During this project, we'll build on what we've learned from the first one, dynamic routing, forms and much more. We'll also have a first look at the real-time capabilities of the Firestore database, which will allow us to update the data on a page without having to make additional HTTP requests. Again, we'll end the project by deploying the app to Firebase hosting. Finally, we'll tackle the big one, the final project of the course, which will be a location-based social app for ninjas. During this project, we'll learn all about authentication inside Vue.js using Firebase Auth. This will allow users to sign up, log out, log in and interact with other users on the website. I'll also be introducing you to the native geolocation API available to most modern browsers, which will help us plot our users onto this map. And, like with the rest of our projects, we'll finish up by deploying the application to Firebase hosting. So, whether you're a complete novice when it comes to Vue.js and Firebase, or you have a little knowledge but not yet enough to start making awesome dynamic web apps, look no further. Your Vue.js adventure is about to begin.